Email marketing is a great tool to stay engaged with your clients, but figuring out what content to develop and send can be a struggle. That's where IDEA's client newsletter tool comes in. Let us do all the work for you. Our award-winning editors curate and build your monthly newsletter with relevant, fact-based content that keeps you engaged with your customers. Topics include exercise science, nutrition, wellness, recipes, and instructional workout videos. Just upload your logo and customer list, and we'll take care of the rest. Your custom newsletter will drop like clockwork on the first day of every month. You can even add a personalized message every month and evaluate your results through email performance metrics. IDEAfit Plus membership gives you access to our client email marketing platform and other business tools to help you succeed. Learn more at ideafit.com/IDEAfit Plus.